A story is said about a great Lubavitcher Chassid. He was sitting amongst other friends which were followers of other great rabbis and great tzaddikim, great rabbis, and each one had something to say. One said, my rabbi is so great, he is such a tzaddik, that the other day somebody was sick. He blessed her and she got better. Another one said how his rabbi gave a special blessing to his son and he became a great sage. And each one had his story. Rav Shmuel, this Chassid, said, well, I asked a blessing to invest in a certain business, and you know what happened? I lost all my money. So they all asked, so what do you mean? What's the miracle here? He said, the miracle is, I'm still his follower, I'm still a Chassid, and he is still my Rebbe. He is still my rabbi, the one I follow. What type of relationship do you have with God? When the Jewish people served the golden calf, Moshe Rabbeinu comes down and breaks the tablets. He says, what? I don't want my people to be exterminated. I don't want that God should accuse them of something when really the document of marriage, the marriage document is in my hands. Let me break it and just say, God, there is no document. And therefore, the Jewish people did not cheat on you by serving a golden calf. God says to Moshe, Moshe, you know what? From now on, I'm going to send you an angel. He'll walk before you, will follow you, will accompany the Jewish people wherever they go. No worries. To this, Moshe Rabbeinu says, absolutely not. We don't want an angel. We want you. Imagine for a second a father saying to his child that he just fired from the company, from now on, my son, whenever you need anything, speak to my assistant. What does the father want to hear? Okay, Dad, I'll speak to your assistant. Or does the father want to hear, Daddy, I want you. I want to be attached to you and to no one else. You are my source. Whatever happens, you are the one I want to be attached to. That's what Moshe Rabbeinu did. Moses, besides being ready to sacrifice his life, and says to God, I'm ready to give my life for the Jewish people. You erase them, you erase me with them. Besides doing that, Moshe Rabbeinu says, if we want something, we don't want any subordinates, we don't want any angels. We just want to be attached to you. That's what's important. In our life, we have ups, we have downs, we have challenges. Things go our way, sometimes they don't. What's most important is to be connected to Hashem and to not get excited by what we see around ourselves, but rather attach ourselves to the essence.